When it comes to pushing the boundaries of watch design, not many brands do it quite like RADO. Known as the master of materials, RADO has spent decades combining innovative technology with bold modeling styling. And this watch is a perfect example of that philosophy. This is the RADO DiaStar Original Skeleton Limited Edition, and it's a watch that immediately grabs your attention. From its striking skeleton dial to its distinctive case design, it's unlike almost anything else on the market. So let's start with what you'll notice first, the dial. The fully skeletonized design gives you the fascinating view of the automatic movement beneath. Rather than hiding the mechanics, RADO has made them the star of the show. As the gears and the balance wheel move away behind the hands, you're constantly reminded of the craftsmanship that goes into a mechanical watch. It's one of those watches that you'll find yourself looking at even when you don't need to check the time. The blue accents throughout create a modern look that's sporty enough for everyday wear whilst feeling very luxurious. The watch measures at 38mm, making it a very versatile size. It sits comfortably on the wrist and has enough presence to stand out without feeling oversized. The iconic DiaStar case shape also gives it a unique identity, making it instantly recognizable as RADO. Protecting the dial is a sapphire crystal, which offers exceptional scratch resistance and helps keep the watch looking its best for the years to come. Inside is an impressive automatic movement with 80 hours of power reserve. That means if you take the watch off on a Friday evening, it will still be running when you get back to it on Monday morning. It's a feature that's become increasingly popular and adds real convenience to everyday ownership. Like all automatic watches, it's powered by the movement of your wrist. As you wear it, an internal rotor winds the mainspring, keeping the watch running without the need for a battery. Despite its sophisticated appearance, this isn't a watch that's afraid of everyday life. With 100 meters of water resistance, it's more than capable of handling swimming, everyday adventures, giving you the confidence to wear it regularly rather than saving it for a special occasion. The comfortable rubber strap is another standout feature. It gives the watch a contemporary feel, whilst also making it incredibly comfortable throughout the day. It's a great example of how RADO balances luxury with practicality. RADO has been producing watches since 1917, earning a reputation for doing things a bit different. The brand always embraces new materials and unconventional designs, creating watches that don't simply follow the trends, they often set them. That's exactly what the DiaStar collection has represented for generations, and this skeleton edition continues that tradition beautifully. Overall, this watch is for someone who wants something a little different. It combines eye-catching design, Swiss mechanical craftsmanship, and everyday practicality in a package that is unmistakably RADO. Whether you're already a fan of skeleton watches or simply looking for something that stands out from the crowd, this limited edition is a fantastic example of why RADO remains one of the most innovative names in Swiss watchmaking. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.